Do you want to know how you can verify your DraftKings account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to TechTube. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can verify your DraftKings account. Go ahead and open any type of browser on your PC and go to the official site of DraftKings, which is draftkings.co.uk. After you go to DraftKings, if your account is new, you will directly get this verification, so you can choose between SMS, text and email. So I'll go ahead and go to email and click continue. Now a 6-digit code has been sent to your mail, so go ahead and check your mail. What you need to do is copy the code over on the screen. So go ahead and write down the code which you have just received on your phone. And then click verify. And there you go. This is how you verify your account, and you have now access to DraftKings and you can start betting as your wish. I hope this video about how you can verify your DraftKings account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.